What's up, everybody? Check it out. You know the box. You know what this is. Everybody that's ordered online bullion before knows exactly where this is from. We've got an order from AppMex, and what we're going to do, we're going to bust this thing open. We're going to talk about what's inside, so let's stop wasting time. Come on, let's do this thing. All right, so like I said, this is from AppMex. I ordered this as a pre-order, actually. This was a pre-order, and this, my friends, is one of those coins, one of those pieces that I get instant equity in. I love coins. When I make that purchase, before it's even in my hands, I have instant equity. And this package here is just more of that. So when you order from AppMex, they take your poly mailer with the bubbles and they tape that to the box here, and that's what we've got. So we're gonna get rid of this cardboard. There we go, get that out of the way. Got this nice big bag. Let's go ahead and slice this open. Now this is a series that I've collected since inception. I'm gonna get my invoice out of here just so you don't see any of my information. But these are all the same coins, so we'll take these out here and we'll look at these together. Check it out. The 2019 Silver Swan from the Perth Mint. Very cool coin. Pick this one up. Like I said, as a pre-order, and already it's almost sold out. The price has gone up over 30% since I've bought it. So I've got 30% instant equity in each one of these coins. And this is one of those series that will sell out. It will hold its premium. We've seen it in previous years. So I'm not gonna be upset at a 30% gain in less than a couple of weeks' time. So let's take a close look at this coin here. I'm going to pull out the 2017 as well as the 2018. So this here, the 2017, this was the first release of the Silver Swan. This coin went crazy when it was first come out. You can't get them anymore unless it's in the secondary market, and you're going to pay a pretty hefty premium for that. Now, if we take a look here at the 2018 Silver Swan, same thing, sold out pretty quick, premium went up pretty fast, and it's still holding that premium pretty strong. Now, let's take a close look here at the 2019. I'm actually gonna bust this one out of the plastic because I wanna see this a little bit better. There we go. And there it is. Got a nice big scratch, it looks like, on my capsule, so that's a bummer. Yeah, that's on the capsule. But taking a look here, this is the 2018 versus the 2019. Looks like we've got a total of 3 swans in this one. A baby, the mom, and the dad may be back there hunting for some food. In here, just the mom and the baby. And on the 2017, just the mom. One of the things that I do like about these Swan coins that they do is they keep it simple. They keep the design very, very simple. And I really appreciate the waves that they throw in the back here. Even in the Swan that's far away in the distance there, you can see the little ripple waves that are shining and flickering with the light. And I appreciate that. I love the wings on these Swans. No matter what year you look at the Swans, look at the textured feel that they put on the actual Swan. I mean, it's incredible. It's really cool. It almost looks like dragon scales. I mean, maybe my brain is just on Game of Thrones right now, but it almost looks like dragon scales. But either way, this is one of those coins. It's going to be one of the hottest coins of 2019. I'm pretty sure it's going to sell out if it hasn't already. The premium has gone up over 30% since the coin has come out. I can only expect it to go up more and more. So if you've been on the fence thinking about getting the Australian Silver Swan coin, I would say it's definitely a good buy. Comment down below. I'm curious to know if you picked this one up. Have you picked up previous years? Are you not picking this up because you have the previous years? Or maybe you don't like the bullion version. Maybe you're strictly into the proof version. We'll take a quick look here at the 2017 Proof Swan. Same design, everything's all the same, except the proof is obviously a proof. Comes in a very nice leather textured case. Got your COA, and then the mirror-like finish on that coin. So depending on the kind of coins that you like to stack or put away or collect or invest in, whatever terms you want to use, you have a lot of variety with the Silver Swan and just with the Perth Mint in general. I mean, those of you that have been following my channel for a while, you know how I feel about the Perth Mint. hands down one of my favorite mint companies out there as far as government issued bullion goes. But nonetheless, the Silver Swan in my eyes is definitely a winner this year, just like previous years. But I want to hear from you in the comments down below. Is the Silver Swan something you've picked up? Maybe you're on the fence and you're not too sure. Comment down below, give me your thoughts on the Silver Swan series, and that's really all I got for you in this video. If you want to see more just like it, click that like button down below. Make sure you're subscribed and check back every single Wednesday at 7 o'clock Eastern, where I put out a live show where I give away lots of cool silver, we auction off some fun pieces, and it's just a great hang. But that's it, guys. I'll talk to you again real soon. Peace out, YouTube.